All right. This is our first day basically back in the markets. Not first day back in the markets, but this is going to be, our first locked in day. As you guys can see, we're pretty much completely moved into our house now. So we have the time to devote back to where the focus needs to be. So we're going to do a quick analysis and then we're going to get off of here until the market is getting ready to open. So first things first, I see here we have this daily sell. Have this daily sell side that we already took out on ES. So there's SMT, that low, are in a fair value gap on ES. So we could deliver higher from here. But right now, NQ is bearish. Something to note. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is a very obvious sell side draw. Very, very obvious sell side draw. We'll do it top right. So very obvious sell side draw here that we do have SMT at as well. Boom. So have that there as well. Very obvious draw in the 4-hour time frame. So far I probably would continue to expect lower prices, regardless of where ES is at. Just based off of NQ, I would expect to continue to see lower prices. Also have relative equal lows down there, and then another low right there as well. Have lots of LRL, it seems like, on the hourly, on the 15-minute chart as well. Not too much, but we do have this trend line liquidity right there. Maybe we'll save that to be ran for tomorrow. Let's adjust the mic here. Maybe that'll be saved to be ran tomorrow. However, 15-minute time frame on NQ, we are expecting lower prices. Doesn't seem like there's a gap that we could potentially manipulate into. We already manipulated into the 1-hour gap up here. Manipulated that, and then continue to see delivery lower from there. So no 30-minute either, other than this one. And then no 15-minute. So yeah, we do have this overall draw lower. That's about the only thing. For draws higher, I don't have any, I don't have any draws higher. Everything up here is high resistance liquidity. This is a high resistance draw as well. So we'll just see what happens. We'll see if we do end up manipulating higher and then giving us, something back to the downside. Whatever the case may be, overall, this is our overall target for the 4-hour chart. Very obvious low. So we'll see what we can get today. And your perfume ring. Bruise right here, that consistency. Okay, market is open. Off the open, we didn't manipulate higher into anything. We didn't really go lower. Let me make sure we don't have any freaking news. Today's Tuesday. Had 8:30 news. Doesn't seem like there The data wick anywhere. $8.30. No data wick anywhere other than, you know, here, but we already took that out, so doesn't matter. Have this 9:30 a.m. low. I would like to see us manipulate into that hourly gap to then take us lower. So we got the 9:30 a.m. open. Got 9:30 a.m. open. Took out this draw right here. 5 minute. I want to see us come back, manipulate into this hourly gap, sweep out this high inside of a fair value gap, and then distribute lower. Overall, I just think anything up today is just obviously extremely high resistance. Only thing low resistance is this sell side draw right here. Overall directions, you know, clearly bearish. We've disrespected every bullish PD array. So that's what I would want to see. That's what I would want to see. Okay, tap into that gap right there. On the 5 minute, didn't manipulate into anything. Manipulated into nothing here. We're trying these shorts right here. Expecting lower prices. Expecting price just to continue lower. We're gonna sell. So we buy back one. We'll go break even there. And then I would like to target. We got to see if we can even really get a break lower here. But we are break even there. So let's see if we can just get this dump straight down to our overall target, which is if we're going to be bearish here, we shouldn't be reversing from here anyway. If we're going to be bearish, we should see a lot of speed below here. We should see lots of speed. We're already expecting lower prices. Didn't manipulate into any higher time frame gap, but we did get a liquidity sweep, etc., etc. So I really do love this short. We're gonna sell, so we need to buy back one. And that's gonna be our overall target. As I said, if we're going to be bearish, there's no reason we shouldn't flush below these lows and continue to see a lots of speed and volume below here. At least to this low, at the absolute bare minimum to that low. So if we can end up re-breaking these lows right here, we should be okay, but we gotta fight through this first. Okay, got break even right there. Got break even right there. I really love that short, honestly. Like, I genuinely did. Obviously, we didn't manipulate into anything, so you know it's gonna be a little bit harder for us to see that real speed. But let's see if we can take out this 15-minute high right here, and then get the real move lower. take out this minor buy side. See how we want to react here. Dang, we was trying to target a big boy, huh? We was trying to target a big boy. So this is obviously first percent fair value gap. Let's see how we want to react out of this. Or let's see if we are going to. See if we're going to respect it. It's not ideal for me. I don't really want to see first percent fair value gap be respected. I want to see us disrespect this. Take out this minor buy side pull up here and then continue lower. Because I'm not really a huge fan of taking a short inside of this 1 minute gap. But definitely do have an unprotected low here. It just wouldn't be ideal for me. It's not something I would want to do, but it's almost a trade that I feel like I couldn't fade because I'm not expecting anything bullish today. I feel like this 4 hour draw is just so obvious. I feel like it's so obvious. Definitely do have to be careful with New York AM Open because, no, not even New York AM Open. Just got to be careful with New York in general because recently these trades have been absolutely just non-existent basically. Oh my gosh, no way. Hold on. Let's not get excited first. Dude, my couch is on the way, bro. Oh my gosh. I ordered this freaking couch. Freaking boneless couch action, and it's finally coming. It's finally coming. It said it wasn't coming until Friday, and I was supposed to get it yesterday. But it says it's finally on the way right now, and it'll probably be here by about 12 or something. Probably be here by 12. Put this in the FedEx tracking. Bro, I have 2 phones, right? And this other phone that I have is genuinely barely working anymore. So I'm thinking I might go try to turn it in or something. Or I might. Yeah, it's on the way right now. It'll be here today. So I'm thinking what I'll do actually is go to Apple and see if I can turn it in for maybe an iPad or something. I don't know. I don't even know what I want, genuinely. But if I can turn it in for a MacBook or something. I don't know. Another MacBook. I don't know. Oh, shit. I totally forgot. That's gonna sting, bro. I forgot to pay her my freaking bill. call 888-574-1301. Pay my doggone bill.
Best Buy Credit Card Center. This call
But look at all the LRL we're starting to generate here. So.
Para español, diga español.
Para español, diga español.
Esta llamada puede ser escuchada o grabada. Usted está ahora en nuestro sistema que le permite usar su voz.
Hablo inglés.
Para tener acceso a nuestro sistema de teletecla, oprima estrella estrella en cualquier momento. Por favor, marque o diga los últimos 4 dígitos de su número de cuenta o de su número de seguro social.
Okay, I don't speak Spanish that well just yet. Not yet, but I'm saying, like, look at all the LRL we're generating.
This call may be monitored or recorded.
Perfect trend line liquidity.
Para español, diga español o oprima 2. You are now in our speech-enabled system. To access our touchtone system, press ** at any time. Please touchtone or speak the last 4 digits of your account number or social security number.
Let's stop this. Can't sleep through the night. Can't sleep through the night and keep my face in the glass. All right, bros. Hey, bros. Obviously, we saw this short right here. Obviously, in hindsight, I should have took it. But, you know, like I said, just pretty didn't really deliver off of anything. All we did was just, you know, sweep these obvious highs right here. Had nice trend line liquidity below. Obviously, it wasn't a bad trade at all. I personally just faded it, though. I personally faded it. Wasn't a bad trade at all. If anybody caught these, great trade. Obviously, the market's dead for the day. Market's dead. I do still believe in this draw right here, but I'm not going to sit and wait for it to get hit. So we'll just get off for the day. We'll just call it a day there. Break even on the day for me. Still trying to recover from the incident, but it's all good. I'll see y'all tomorrow.